Stephanie at the Mullica Hill branch. Today we're going to be doing an experiment called the climbing rainbow. For this experiment, you'll need a paper towel, washable markers, and 2 glasses of water. To begin, you want to take your 2 glasses of water and place them fairly close to each other. Then you're going to grab your paper towel and fold it in half so that it fits inside these glasses. Now we are going to take our markers and color a rainbow on both ends of the paper towel and the backside. Now that we have our colored paper towel, we are going to put the ends inside the cup and watch Now that we've completed the experiment, we can observe a lot of things. The first thing I notice is that the glass of water has turned this brown color. This is because it's a mixture of all of the colors, the red, orange, yellow, green, blue. And we also see that the colors that were once on the edge of the paper towel are now all the way across, and that's why we call it the climbing rainbow. This experiment happens the way it does because of something called chromatography. This means that a solution is able to travel through another solution. So in this case, the water and the water-based markers allow the color to travel. Now, if we were to use permanent markers that aren't water-based and they're alcohol-based, this wouldn't work. But if we were to use alcohol in the cups instead of water, then it would work because the alcohol and the alcohol work together, just like the water and the water do. I hope that you learned something today and try this again with maybe different items.